In this video, we will look at how to add a new protocol and a new workflow using existing steps configured in your Clarity LIMS system. To add a new protocol, go to the Configuration button on the left-hand panel of your web interface. By default, you will see a list of all of the current protocols. To add a new protocol, simply click Add on the top right corner. You will then see this Add Protocol screen. Simply type in the name of the protocol you want to add. Then choose the type of the protocol you want to add. You can also specify the capacity of the protocol so that your overview dashboard will display your operation efficiency in comparison to the capacity. We will then add steps to form this protocol. Click on this drop-down menu to choose a step. You can always filter by the keyword you're going to use. After you have selected the first step, click Add to make it the first step. Now go ahead and choose the next step. After you have a group of steps already selected, you can use these arrows to move them up and down to match the exact order of the steps. Click Save Protocol to save the current protocol in your system. If samples will not start with the same step 1 within the protocol, you will need a sorting step to start the protocol. And simply move the sorting step up. Now when samples get assigned to this protocol, they will go through a sorting first for the users to pick their next step. Next, we can create a new workflow that uses this protocol as part of the workflow. Click on the Workflow button here to access the workflow configuration page. All of the current active workflows are listed here. If you scroll down, you will also see the archived or pending workflows. Workflows can go from pending to active to archived, and only active workflows can be used to assign samples to. Click Add Workflow to start the addition of a new workflow. First, give it a workflow name. Next, you will use these drop-downs to choose the protocols that you will call to form the workflow. Once again, keyword can be used to filter out the protocols you're looking for. To add a second protocol, follow the same concept. When you're done, click Save Workflow, and your new workflow will automatically be marked as pending. If you decide that you have completed the design of the workflow, you can choose to activate that workflow so that you can assign samples to them. Activation can be achieved by clicking the Activate button here. Note that once a workflow is active, it cannot go back to the pending state. You can still archive the workflow if you do not want to process any samples through it anymore. This is how you can add new protocols and workflows in your Clarity LIMS system. On the next video, we will look at how to add user-defined fields to the various entities of the LIMS.